palette with fatty cream. Fill it with hot glue and press down the container cap the top side down. Remove the hot glue from the palette when dry and close the eyeshadow. Paint the yolk bright yellow. Define the edges with dark paint. When dry, spray the entire fried egg with a clear polish to apply a glossy finish and take it off the parchment paper. Still, Redhead is ready for the culinary tricks of her friend. She will definitely not eat this fried egg. She opens the yolk and finds a golden eyeshadow inside. It has some yolk pigment for sure. I wonder which came first, the chicken or the eyeshadow. The friends have ordered sushi. Redhead uses the right moment when her friend got carried away by a phone conversation. She should hurry up if she wants to eat at least one roll. Redhead finishes the entire set in a few minutes, but she still remembers to leave something for her friend and puts a special Japanese delicacy down for her. Cut a piece of white felt into small strips. Use paper glue to roll them into fine grains of rice. Hot glue the rice to the lid of the glitter container. Measure out a strip of black felt. The width of the strip should be the same as the height of the container. Cut the strip in half and hot glue it to the container and the lid separately. Attach orange Orsby's balls on top of the rice as though it is red caviar. Attach 2 green felt leaves as a finishing touch. Finally, the blue-eyed girl is going to taste the last roll, but it appears to not be a seafood delicacy at all. Her friend has arranged a sushi masquerade for glitter. The container is creative for sure, just don't add wasabi to it. And who would refuse to enjoy a delicious donut and to doll up at the same time? Everything is possible with our donut powder. Hide the inscriptions on a powder compact and attach a hair donut. Cover it with hot glue to make it look like glaze. Cover the donut with a few coats of brown acrylic paint when the glue is dry. Attach sprinkles on top. Redhead sees a delicious donut on a table. The tasty dessert looks tempting. But it turns out that the donut is made out of powder instead of soft dough. It's such a pity. The powder doesn't go with the chocolate. It is the first donut in the world that a sweet-tooth redhead refuses to eat. On the other hand, the blue-eyed girl can finish her makeup easily. Redhead has baked an unusual cupcake. There is a concealer filling inside. She puts it on the bathroom shelf so that the blue-eyed girl can enjoy the dessert. Fill a silicone cupcake mold with hot glue. Put concealer inside of it. Imitate cream curls with hot glue on the lid. Paint the cupcake in the appropriate shade of brown. Paint the cream on top with pink acrylic paint. Decorate it with sprinkles. The blue-eyed girl is bewildered. Why is there a cupcake in the bathroom? Does Redhead scatter her sweets here and there again? On the other hand, I can enjoy some cream. I wonder why this cream is so hard. Has it dried out or what? She unscrews it and finds out that it's the lid of a container. And there's concealer inside. It would be better if there were strawberry jam or chocolate. The concealer filling is not edible for sure. Did you like our delicious ideas? Are you ready to turn your makeup bag into a lunchbox? Then write in your comments which dish you will cook for your favorite beauty product. Will you turn your lipstick into a hot dog? Or roll the glitter into sushi? Or hide your perfume in a banana? Make sure that you won't eat face powder instead of a donut. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell. It will remind you that there are new ideas on the Troom Troom channel.